Kev G with the overview. How's it going out there, everybody? Take a look at the Penn State eWall site. And this is something that we haven't seen in quite a while. Rain. And it's on our doorstep. I'm recording this around 3:35 p.m. on Thursday. And we are looking at a line of showers, and there are some embedded heavier showers with some lightning in here. And the funny thing about this setup is that the instability, the greatest instability in terms of atmospheric potential for mischief, is actually to the east over Long Island and into Connecticut. So these storms should last, if you want to call them storms. This line of showers with embedded isolated thunderstorms should work its way through the entire area. So we'll probably get about 1/10 of an inch of rain for most locations with locally higher amounts, but I don't think this is going to be that big of a deal. I think the main story through the next 7 days is that summer is going to roll on into October. And any type of pattern change looks to be very transient right now. And it'll happen around probably Thursday or Friday of next week. The question is, after we get past that point, what does the overall weather pattern look like? Is it a warm weather pattern? Do we revert back to what we had? Or do we cool it down a bit? Now, the normal high this time of year should be around 70. But you'll see in the extended when I show you, most days are going to be in the mid to upper 70s, and 1 or 2 days next week we will be into the lower 80s. Very impressive warmth for the month of September, and it's going to roll into October. Question is for how long. So we shift gears. This is the Penn State eWall site. Now we go to the upper air maps off the European model, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. And this is for Sunday. This is a very summery look with all the action out west. All the cool weather out west, and they are getting a heck of a time out there. There could even be some snow in some of the higher mountain areas in the Pacific Northwest. Now, as we roll through, the pattern does change slightly as we go into next Thursday and Friday. So I think that by next Friday, we will have a shot of fall-like weather. And the question after that, after we get past the 5th of October, do we revert back to the old pattern? The European on the long-range model would have you believe that by Sunday, October the 6th, we get warm again. Now, how long that warmth takes hold, again, remains to be seen. But these are some of the changes that we should be looking for over the next 5 to 7 days. But you could see from the extended off of Weather Underground, it's a quiet pattern. Once we get rid of the rain today, we're back in the mid to upper 70s for this time of year. We cool it down slightly on Monday, but that's where we should be around this time of year, 71. And then look at that, 84 next Wednesday. That would do midsummer proud. And then we have that cold front passage for Thursday of next week, and we'll have to see if the temperatures do in fact drop down to at least a little bit at or below normal for early October. So summer is going to roll on, ladies and gentlemen. Aside from today, we don't really have any rain chances to speak of. It's going to be dry. And these temperatures, these mild temperatures, are going to hold on as we move into the first part of October.